Experience the thrill of aerial photography with the Ruko F11GIM2 drone. Equipped with a stunning 4K camera and advanced features, this drone is perfect for capturing breathtaking footage and photos. The F11GIM2 drone features a 4K/30 frame The F11GIM2 drone features a 4K/30 frames per second camera with a 2-axis gimbal and EIS, ensuring smooth and stable footage. With 5x digital zoom and an 80-degree adjustable lens, you can capture everything from wide scenic views to close-up details. Enjoy up to 64 minutes of uninterrupted flight time with the 2 intelligent batteries included. The real-time battery level is clearly displayed in the app and on the controller, giving you peace of mind while flying. With up to 5 kilometers, 16,404 feet, of real-time video transmission, you can fly far and wide while maintaining a stable connection. The beginner mode limits the flight to 98 feet, while seasoned pilots can unlock the full range for more adventurous flights. The upgraded remote controller comes with a USB cable for direct connection to your phone, delivering fast and stable video transmission without relying on Wi-Fi. This ensures smooth and reliable live views even over long distances. Whether you're exploring new landscapes, documenting road trips, or filming action shots, the Ruko F11GIM2 drone is the perfect companion. With its advanced features and stable transmission, you'll capture stunning footage and photos that will leave everyone amazed. Get your Ruko F11GIM2 drone today and take your aerial photography to new heights. With its stunning 4K camera, long flight time, and advanced features, this drone is perfect for anyone looking to capture breathtaking footage and photos.